Please subscribe and click the bell notification to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Hi and hello everybody, this is Dr. Crazy Sans back with another video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to take photos like a pro. For this video I'll be using this Samsung Galaxy S6. Now let's go the camera app, and this is the camera app. You can see the quality of this camera is good. It's 16 megapixel front and 5 megapixel 16 megapixel rear and 5 megapixel front. As you can see when I swipe on the left, there are some features like auto, probe, panorama, selective focus, slow motion, fast motion, virtual shot, video collage, live broadcast. Today I'll be showing you how to do on selective focus. Just click on it. Says tap on an object less than 50 centimeter away to focus it, and tap the camera button to take picture. For this I've got some things. I've got a glow stick and cut the rope guide and an ornament. I'll be testing with this. I'll arrange it and I'll be back with you guys. And guys, now I've set it. I have set the ornaments and all the things which I'm going to take photos, and I have the camera. I'll just take the photo and I'll be back and I'll show you guys. And guys, this is the photo I captured. As you can see, now I'll just click it and I'll show you guys. I'll show you in portrait mode because if I show it in landscape mode, it won't show the lights. I'll show you. Tilted, there's a bar coming up, so you can't see it properly, so I'll just in portrait mode. As you can see, when I click near focus, the glow stick only gets focused, and when I click far focus, except the glow stick, the Kadrovka and the ornament gets focused. When I click pan focus, all gets focused. So I'll just show it once again. When I click near focus, the near thing gets focused. As you can see, the glow gets focused, and when I click far focus, the Kadrovka and the ornament gets focused. When I click pan focus, everything gets focused. And I'll just go for far focus, and you can save it. Save it, it comes, and this is the picture. Show it in far focus, and that's it guys. Please make sure to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.